What's up guys, this is Sid and welcome to your third Python tutorial. Now in this tutorial we're going to dive into variables. Now variables are exactly what they sound. If you remember in high school in mathematics we used to use variables. The variables in the mathematics and in the programming, they're exactly the same. They are containers for some value of some type. In programming we might need some kind of dynamic value, for example an input from a user, so you don't know what it is, so it can change from user to user or situation to situation. So you need some container to take that value, and those containers are called variables, and variables are of different types. They can be of an integer type, character type, string type. They can be floating point, etc. So let me show you how to declare variables in Python. If you're familiar with other programming languages like C, C++, Java, then you might be familiar with the concept of variables and how to declare them. In C, C++, you need to tell the type of variable. For example, if you're defining an integer type, you have to do it like this, and then the variable name, and then the variable whatever it is. Similarly, you have to give float for floating point, character for a character, string for a string, and whatnot. But in Python, all you gotta do is pick a variable name, and I'm gonna choose var and assign it some value, and I'm gonna assign it 5 here. Now what you see right here is just saying that it is not used in anything yet. It's just assigned a value. So it's wasting memory if you're not using it. So I've assigned var value of 5. Now you can use var instead of 5. Now you see that little exclamation mark is gone because I used that variable. And if I run this, it's gonna show me 5 there. So variable that var contains value 5. And if I do, now in Python there's a very nice function called type, and you can see what type of variable it is. And when I run, it's gonna tell me that it's integer type. Now if I change its value from 5 to 5.6, watch, it says now it's a floating point variable. If I change it to some string, see, now it's a string. So in Python you do not have to define what type of variable is it. It's gonna interpret it according to the value you put. This is the concept of variables in Python, and you can use them in I don't know, like million trillion ways, and they are a very important part of programming. So this was about variables. In the next tutorial I'm gonna tell you how to use them in actual code, how to get input from user, store it in a variable, and output some kind of a result or the variable to the output stream. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe.